Okay, so now let's create our own Java class in the source directory that was created by the wizard. Again, CRXDE makes developing these kind of bundles very easy. So I'm going to say source main Java org training test, and you'll see that there's the activator Java there. Let's create a new Java class right here in this folder. So I'm just going to say new class. You can leave the defaults here. You have your org.training.test. And for the name of our Java class, let's just call this Hello World. It's just going to inherit from the basic Java language class. So go ahead and click Finish. And it's going to build us the basic structure of a class. You'll see it says public class, Hello World, package org.training.test. All right, let's make this an incredibly simple method. So I'm going to say public. Okay, this is going to be returning me a string. So I'll say public string get message, like so. Okay, and then I'm going to say return hello world. Couldn't be any more simple Java than that. So now I'm going to hit save. And now I have a very simple Java class called Hello World that's going to return me a string called Hello World. Okay, so now let's highlight our hello world.java here in the navigator. Right click, okay, say build, and then say compile. And you should see that that successfully compiles that Java class. After we've compiled our Java class into a class file, the next step is we actually need to go and build our bundle, our OSGI bundle that makes this independent. And again, CRXDE will automatically install this and make this ready to go. So all you have to do is highlight your BND file, right click, say build, and then say build bundle, okay? And that should successfully build your bundle. Let's try to use this and see if it works. So I'm going to open up a component. I can close this all off now that everything's compiled and ready to go. I should be able to just use this in my UI layer, okay, which of course would be the JSP. So we'll just use the title component to make it easy. So open up your title.jsp, okay, which is under content, title. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do in your title.jsp is just simply add in an import to import your new Java class. Okay, so I'm going to say open, okay, just like so, and then I'll say at page import is equal to org.training.test.hello world. Okay, so that's going to import that class here. Right below this, let's go ahead and add in an h1 tag so we can see this. And then I'll add in a server tag again. In my server tag, I'll reference my class, so I'll say hello world. I'll create an object. I'll call that object HW, and I will say is equal to new hello world. Actually, I don't even need to put that in H1s there. That's fine. Let's add in an H3 here. So after your server tags are closed, then open up your server tag again and call your object, and then call your getMessage method, just like so. So say hw.getMessage. This should go out and return hello world on our title component. So let's test that. Go ahead and save. And then let's go ahead and actually view a page that is showing us the title. So I'll go to localhost 4502, websites. I'll go to company here. Okay, and notice in our title component, it now says hello world because this is calling the method that we just wrote inside of the OSGI bundle. Very, very powerful, and it allows you to provide a nice separation between your UI and between your heavy lifting or your business logic code by putting that in OSGI bundles.